Hello, I'm Dr. Polchik. Welcome to PhysioSpace. We're here in beautiful Marina del Rey, California, and this is a walking back of thigh stretch.
Start by standing upright with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one foot touching the floor with your heel, and hinge at the hips, reaching towards the toes of the extended leg. Feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Take a step forward and repeat with the other leg, alternating as you walk. Swing your hands forward to add momentum, and deepen the stretch as you go lower. This is a great warm-up for running, loosening your muscles before exercise. Remember, this isn't a hold, just a brief pause with each step. Keep moving forward. This stretch may help alleviate pain in the back of the leg, so keep walking. Each step increases flexibility and prepares your body for activity.